This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Gardening fantastics, I just want to share with you guys, look at my homemade funnel. It's just a water, let me see, where did that come from? This is just a water bottle cut in half. I'm using the let me show you. See the top of it, put it in there. Got something to hold it in there. You're definitely gonna have to hold it. But yeah, it's a homemade funnel from a water bottle. Repurposing my ash off over here. I'm repurposing my ash off over here on my gardening channel. Yes, I also repurpose over there on my prepper channel. If you want to visit that other channel, go to my homepage. You'll see my banner with the picture of that frog on there and the flowers. You guys click on that link in there, and it'll take you right to my other channel. And I repurpose jars and stuff for food and stuff too. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yes, I repurposed and made me a homemade funnel, because I was thinking, I said, I'm about to go in the kitchen and get a funnel so I can pour this water in my little, gardening watering can. Then I seen I had already had it cut off. I said, let me use this. So if this helps anybody, you've been throwing away your water bottles, remember, it is a homemade funnel. And especially if it's right there by you, you don't feel like going in the kitchen to get in a funnel, or you don't know where your funnel is, just use a cut off water bottle. That's all, gardening fantastics. Just want to share that. Hope you guys having a great gardening day. Thanks for your time and support.